Hi folks, Kim here with Coldwell Banker. Now today I have a special guest, is Laurent with Desjardins. He is a life insurance broker, agent, and I want him to speak to you because a lot of my buyers have come to me after sale of property and the mortgage. When they go to the bank, the mortgage, whoever always offers some kind of life insurance policy. Now for me personally, I have never gone to a bank. I have always gone to Laurent, a professional. I want him to explain why and what is the benefit. All right, thank you for coming.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Kim. I appreciate here being with your audience. My name is Laurent Meunier, and I'm with Desjardins Financial Security Independent Network. I'm a licensed life insurance broker here in British Columbia. And you can find all of my contact information below if you want to get in touch with me after this video. So one of the big advantages to going through a licensed life agent, either like myself or anybody else, versus just getting the one option that a bank or mortgage broker would present to you is exactly that, options. When you go with a licensed life agent, they can shop the market. There are hundreds of different products available that may be best suited for you and your family and your specific need at that time. But you definitely want to explore your options, which you don't have when you only have one presented to you.
Now, the reason why I brought it up also is because over the years I spoke to you and you have pointed out there was a great article by CBC.
Yes. So you're on YouTube right now. If you click in the link that's going to be showing on this video, it's from CBC Marketplace called In Denial, and they actually did an expose on the difference between lender insurance or bank insurance, which protects the bank, but you pay for it, and real properly underwritten life insurance through a licensed life insurance professional. The link is very easy, just click it. And if you wanted to find out more, you could contact me directly. All my information will also be in this video with phone number and email. Just reach out and I'm happy to answer any questions.
Now, just coming back, Desjardins is it's a very old company, right?
Yes.
Just explain.
All right, so we're part of the Desjardins Financial Security Independent Network. So we're brokers. We work with all different companies in Canada. Desjardins themselves is over 100 years old. It's one of Canada's top companies, 43,000 employees across the country. They manufacture their own insurance. They also have the largest credit union in North America, a very solid and reputable company. But by being part of the independent network, I have access to Desjardins, but I also have access to all of the other major Canadian insurance companies. So I'm not, again, giving you choice and putting in place what's best for you, not just say, hey, here's one thing that you should sign.
Well, thank you, Laurent. What I think our next segment should talk about is address especially the underwriting portion of the bank. And, you know, folks, stay tuned. We're going to break this up into a couple of segments and we will launch those soon.